Hey fans, welcome back! In a world full of innovation, these ingenious inventions have truly reached a new level. From groundbreaking technology to life-changing gadgets, this video takes you on a journey through the most incredible innovations that are redefining what's possible. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love cool gadgets, these inventions will blow your mind and inspire you. Watch as we explore how these cutting-edge designs are shaping the future and revolutionizing industries. Don't miss out on this exciting showcase of ingenuity and creativity. Introducing HID Sips, a clever combination of a water dispenser and a bedside lamp, conveniently placed within arm's reach. No more midnight trips to the kitchen. With HID Sips, you can stay hydrated and even take your medication without leaving your bed. Safety is key with HID Sips, featuring a design that keeps the dispenser and lamp separate, along with a spill grate for added protection. Plus, you can customize it with different lampshades and add a holder for disposable cups. Exciting upgrades are on the horizon, including a motion sensor for hands-free use and compatibility with Alexa and Siri. HID Sips is currently seeking support on Kickstarter, and for just $50, you can back the project and claim your own. Did you know that deer have exceptional vision, even better than humans? This makes hunting them a challenging task. But don't worry. Hodak Outdoors, a US-based company, has developed an affordable solution for just $40, a mock scrape system. This innovative system uses a special spring unit to attach an overhanging branch to a tree, enhancing its effectiveness. The branch is typically coated with an organic liquid that mimics the scent of deer without using any real animal secretions. According to the company, this setup If you're into motocross or mountain biking, you've likely heard of O'Neill. With over 50 years of experience in crafting protective gear and accessories, they've consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. Now, they've unveiled their latest creation, a cutting-edge helmet designed in collaboration with Quintessential Design. What makes this helmet truly unique is the integrated Quinn sensor. This device connects to the rider's smartphone, detecting and pinpointing crashes. In the event of a serious accident, it automatically alerts emergency services. Typically, developing such advanced products can take years, but thanks to Introducing MoJet, the ultimate watercraft system designed to deliver a wide range of motorized water experiences, all in one versatile package for $8,000. With MoJet, you can effortlessly switch between the thrill of a surfboard, bodyboard, and hydrofoil board, each powered by an electric motor. This innovative system is built around modular components that easily connect to the main module, which houses the motor and two removable lithium-ion batteries. These components together support up to 255 pounds and offer up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring plenty of time for fun on the water. But that's not all. MoJet's future is even more exciting. The manufacturer plans to introduce additional modules, transforming this watercraft into an underwater scooter or even a rescue vehicle with 3 passenger seats. Prepare yourself for an unparalleled aquatic adventure with MoJet. Step into the dynamic world of the CES Tech Exposition, where groundbreaking innovations, from transparent TVs to cutting-edge smart rings, steal the spotlight. Among these technological marvels is Holox, delivering a one-of-a-kind holographic experience. With a simple pose in front of built-in cameras and a white backdrop, you can bring holograms to life. These stunning visuals are displayed on a massive 86-inch touchscreen, complete with internet connectivity and built-in speakers for an immersive experience. The Holox package includes 2 HoloBox units, offering a fascinating new way to communicate. Interestingly, the manufacturer's website already lists prominent companies like the auditing powerhouse Dio as early adopters of this futuristic technology. Could Holox be on the verge of revolutionizing business meetings? We may soon find out, as these Did you know there are approximately 70 million pet dogs in the United States? With such a vast canine population, businesses are constantly coming up with new ways to cater to dog owners. Enter the Cooey Dog Bed, a luxurious option priced at $235, offering an experience comparable to a 5-star hotel suite for your dog. It features calming music, adjustable temperature controls, and even massage functions to pamper your furry friend. But that's not all. The Cooey Bed goes beyond comfort by actively monitoring your dog's health. It tracks vital signs like heart rate, breathing, weight, and body temperature. And if anything seems off, it sends an instant alert to your smartphone. The bed also includes a camera and two-way communication system, allowing you to check in and chat with your pet even when you're on the go. Plus, the memory foam cushion is specifically designed to improve blood circulation, ensuring your dog enjoys the ultimate comfort. Lake Chelan in Washington State offers more than just scenic views. It's also home to a thrilling attraction. Adjacent to the lake is Slidewaters Water Park, which boasts the world's largest artificial wave pool, powered by the CityWave system. This wave pool is a dream come true for surfers. With its deep, cushioned foam base, you can dive in without a worry. You have full control over the waves, adjusting them to your liking. The waves can reach impressive heights of up to 6 feet, 1.83 meters, and span an incredible 52 feet, 16 meters, wide, ensuring an action-packed experience for water enthusiasts. And here's the best part. You don't have to travel to Washington to enjoy these waves. CityWave attractions are also located across the United States and in countries such as France, Germany, Spain, and more, bringing the excitement of surfing to a global audience. The Skyline Project team is dedicated to delivering an unforgettable experience with their exhilarating hybrid sled go-kart rides. Nestled in the heart of Queenstown, New Zealand, this track is the perfect addition to the city's legacy of extreme sports. Prepare yourself for an adventure as you race down 480 meters, maneuvering through sharp turns and taking in breathtaking views. Don't worry about the climb back up. A scenic cable car ride will effortlessly transport you to the top, where you can relax and grab a bite at a nearby eatery. For a non-stop thrill ride, it costs $110 for adults and $78 for children. After all, when it comes to excitement, one ride is never enough.